In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple users in Chrome. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to separate work from personal browsing or to accommodate various users in a shared computer environment. Let's jump right in and make our browsing experience more organized and efficient. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Navigate to the top right corner of the browser where you'll see your profile icon. It might display your profile picture or initials, depending on your current setup. Click on this icon. This action will open up a drop-down menu showing all the profiles that are currently set up, along with a few additional options. Next, look for the Add Chrome Profile button within this drop-down menu. It usually stands out since it's an option to create something new. Click on Add Chrome Profile. Note that depending on the version of Chrome you're using, it might prompt you to either sign in with a Google account or carry on without one. Choosing to associate a Google account offers benefits like syncing your bookmarks, apps, and extensions across any device where you sign into Chrome. Once you've clicked on the Add Chrome Profile option, you'll be taken to the Profile Setup page. Here, it's your opportunity to get a little creative. Pick a name for your new profile. This name can be anything you choose, whether it's another person's name if you're sharing your device, or you might want to distinguish between work and personal if you're creating profiles for yourself. Also, select an icon from the various avatars available, a simple but effective way to visually differentiate between profiles quickly. After choosing the name and icon, if you're prompted, decide whether you'd like to create a desktop shortcut for the new profile. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently switch between users or tasks, as you can launch the desired profile directly from your desktop. With these details set, click the Done button, and just like that, your new Chrome profile is ready to use. You can now start customizing it further by logging into services, setting unique bookmarks, or adding specific extensions tailored to that user profile's needs. This segregation helps keep everything organized and prevents overlap between different areas of your daily browsing activities. Creating multiple profiles is convenient for those who want to maintain a clear boundary between work and leisure online, or for households where multiple people use the same device. So go ahead, try it out, and enjoy a more structured and efficient browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.